I know how challenging it can be to find the right baby monitor, so I took the plunge and tested these products myself. I bought and used 5 of the top-rated baby monitors with cameras to help you avoid wasting your money on something that won't meet your needs. From security features to battery life and ease of use, I've got all the details you need to make an informed decision. Product number 1, Hello Baby No Wi-Fi Baby Monitor. When I first unboxed the Hello Baby No Wi-Fi Baby Monitor, I was struck by how user-friendly it appeared. The 5 screen was larger than I expected, which is a big plus when you're trying to keep an eye on your little one. The remote pan-tilt zoom feature allowed me to adjust the camera angle from the parent unit, which was incredibly handy. I could easily see my baby from different angles without having to physically move the camera. The clarity of the video, even in low-light conditions, was commendable thanks to the infrared night vision. I could check on my baby without disturbing their peaceful slumber. One of the standout features was the two-way audio. I could talk to my baby and they could hear my voice, which seemed to soothe them when they stirred. The built-in lullabies were a delightful addition. I could play calming sounds to help my baby drift off to sleep. The monitor's temperature sensor was another feature I appreciated. Keeping track of the nursery's temperature helped ensure my baby was comfortable. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Hello Baby monitor has a long battery life, lasting up to 30 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for overnight monitoring. The fact that it doesn't require Wi-Fi is a huge benefit for parents concerned about security. Plus, the 1000 FT range is impressive, allowing me to move around the house without losing connection. However, there were a few drawbacks. The monitor's design is somewhat bulky, and the screen resolution, while decent, could be sharper. Additionally, expanding the system with additional cameras requires contacting the seller, which could be inconvenient for some parents. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use baby monitor without the complications of Wi-Fi, the Hello Baby No Wi-Fi Baby Monitor is a fantastic choice. Its features are geared towards ensuring your baby is safe and sound while giving you peace of mind. Product number 2, VTech VM819 Baby Monitor. The VTech VM819 Baby Monitor caught my attention right off the bat with its sleek design. The 2.8 screen is compact, yet it provides a clear view of my baby. Setting it up was a breeze. I simply plugged it in and it was ready to go. One of my favorite features was the long battery life, up to 19 hours of video streaming, which meant I could monitor my baby throughout the night without constantly recharging the device. The monitor's secure transmission technology, which operates on a 2.4 GHz channel, gave me peace of mind knowing that my baby's feed was private and secure. I appreciated the auto-on-screen feature. The monitor would light up whenever it detected sound, which was great for saving battery while still keeping an eye on things. In terms of pros, the soothing lullabies and two-way talk feature were lifesavers during late-night feedings. I could gently calm my baby back to sleep without having to physically go into the room. The temperature sensor was another highlight. It kept me informed about the nursery's environment, allowing me to adjust accordingly. On the downside, the camera can't zoom in as much as I'd prefer, and the range is impressive but could be better when moving further outside. The screen could have also been a bit larger for better visibility. Ultimately, the VTech VM819 Baby Monitor is a solid choice for parents who want a reliable, simple monitor that gets the job done. It's perfect for those who prioritize security, user-friendliness, and a good battery life. Product number 3, TP-Link Topo 1080p Indoor Security Camera. I was curious to try the TP-Link Topo 1080p Indoor Security Camera, as it promised a lot of features that could double as both a baby monitor and a home security camera. Right out of the box, I was impressed with the setup process. Connecting the camera to my Wi-Fi only took a few minutes. The 1080p HD resolution provided crystal-clear images, and I could clearly see my baby's expressions from across the room. The motion detection feature was a game changer. I received instant notifications on my phone whenever my baby stirred or cried, which allowed me to respond quickly. The two-way audio was also a standout feature. I could talk to my baby through the app, which helped soothe them from another room. The night vision capability was impressive, offering clear images even in complete darkness. Pros of the Topo camera include its versatility. I could use it for monitoring pets or even as a security camera when I wasn't home. The local storage option meant I didn't have to pay for cloud services, which is a huge plus for budget-conscious parents. However, being reliant on Wi-Fi means that if the internet goes down, so does the monitoring functionality. Also, the camera's design is a bit bulkier than I would have liked, making it less discreet if you're trying to keep a low profile in your baby's room. In conclusion, the TP-Link Topo 1080p indoor security camera is an excellent option for tech-savvy parents looking for a multifunctional monitoring solution. It combines baby monitoring with home security seamlessly, providing you with peace of mind whether you're in the next room or out running errands. Product number 4, TP-Link Topo Pan Tilt Security Camera. The TP-Link Topo Pan Tilt Security Camera was another interesting addition to my baby monitoring lineup. Unlike traditional monitors, this one offered a pan and tilt feature, allowing me to adjust the camera angle remotely. This was particularly helpful when my baby was moving around the crib. The advanced night vision was a lifesaver during those late-night checks. I could see clearly up to 30 feet away in complete darkness, which really eased my worries about nighttime monitoring. The motion detection feature also sent notifications to my phone, making it easier to respond to any commotion. Pros included the ease of use. Setting it up was straightforward, and I loved how I could control the camera from my smartphone. The local storage capability meant I could save recordings without incurring subscription fees. However, the reliance on Wi-Fi is a downside. If my internet was down, I had no access to the camera. Also, the initial setup could be a bit tricky for those less tech-savvy. In summary, the TP-Link Topo Pan Tilt Security Camera is a fantastic choice for parents who want advanced features in their baby monitor. Its pan and tilt capabilities, combined with excellent night vision and local storage, make it a worthwhile investment for peace of mind. Product number 5, Acer Smart Baby Monitor. The Acer Smart Baby Monitor was another intriguing option that I was excited to try. With a 5 display and a 1080p camera, it promised a clear view of my baby. The setup was quick, and I was impressed by the wide coverage offered by the pan and tilt functionality. I could easily keep an eye on my baby from different angles without having to physically move the camera. The battery life was impressive, allowing for continuous monitoring without frequent recharges. The Vox mode was a brilliant feature. It activated the monitor when it detected noise, which saved battery life and ensured I wouldn't miss any important sounds. The night vision was effective too, providing clear images even in low light. Pros included the secure transmission technology, which meant no Wi-Fi was needed, alleviating my concerns about hacking or privacy issues. The lullabies were a nice touch and helped soothe my baby to sleep. On the downside, the monitor lacks some advanced features found in other models, such as smartphone integration. The video quality, while good, could be a bit sharper. In conclusion, the Acer Smart Baby Monitor is a reliable choice for parents who want simplicity and security without the hassle of Wi-Fi. Its robust features make it an excellent option for keeping an eye on your little one. After testing these 5 baby monitors, I can confidently say that each has its unique strengths. Whether you prioritize battery life, video quality, or security features, there's a perfect monitor for you. My personal favorites would be the Hello Baby for its user-friendly features and the TP-Link Topo for its versatility. I hope my reviews help you make an informed decision to keep your little ones safe and sound.